Welcome to Fancy as the show that does it all for the cookie. It's the holiday season, and if you're anything like me, that only means one thing. PTSD from the Christmas cookie gulag that my mother used to subject my siblings and I to every single year. She was our general, and we were her underqualified, underage minions in her quest for world and neighborhood domination. My mother is a genius, but I'm not gonna do all that. And the holiday stress cycle stops here with Lisa's cookie decorating party pack. I'm gonna show you 3 fancy, no-fuss holiday treats that focus on the fun part of the holidays, the decorating. The Ritz'y Cookie. This 4-ingredient sweet and salty treat is getting a facelift this year thanks to the help of easy candy and sprinkle stickers. Step 1, set your favorite salty, buttery cracker out on a magic mat. Step 2, peanut butter in a squeeze bottle. What will they think of next? Now, this is not the time for natural peanut butter. You don't want any separation happening here. So use the stuff that you ate when you were a kid. Step 3, melt your favorite easy candy in the microwave. Step 4, take your Sammys and dip half of them in your melted easy candy. Oops. That's good. Okay, so we're gonna wait for our first dip to set. They should be set in like 3 minutes or so. And then we're gonna dip the other half in our other color of easy candy. The first half of our cookie is set. We're gonna dip the other half in the rest of our melted easy candy, and then we're gonna follow it up with a sprinkle sticker. If I gave this one complaint, it would be that all of these are so adorable and they're so easy and fail-proof that like you're not gonna have a lot of ugly ones that are left over for you. Go ahead, start to work on that now. These are foolproof. The finishing touch, we're gonna dust these with some white diamond prism powder. Moment of truth. They look adorable, but how do they taste? Only one way to find out. These are delicious. They really are though. Truffle ornaments made using store-bought cupcakes. Grab your favorite grocery store cupcakes or cakes, reserve the frosting, and add the cake to a bowl. We're gonna combine our cakes with just a little bit of the buttercream from our cupcakes. The secret to a good cake truffle is to not add too much buttercream. You want your cake to hold together without feeling wet. So it's a good idea to always start with a little bit of buttercream and go from there. If you want to take your party to the next level, use bourbon. Now, you're gonna roll out bite-sized balls. Now we're gonna put our truffles in the freezer for about 5 minutes just so they firm up. While we're waiting, we're gonna melt our easy candy. Our easy candy is melted, our ornament truffles are chilled. Now it's time to dip and sprinkle. And then, whoop, pop it down, hit the top with sprinkles. Favorite part of this? Little Christmas trees. The finishing touch. Cornflake wreaths. A wreath made out of corn flakes. Another 4-ingredient recipe. Mini marshmallows, cornflakes, butter, and a little bit of vanilla extract. Melt 4 cups of mini marshmallows with a half a cup of butter. I have been waiting for an entire calendar year to use Dublin green the way it was intended to be used, and the moment has finally come. It's go time. We're adding the cornflakes. Okay, all right, we got webs. We got webs forming here. So you have options here. If you want to make wreaths, I think that a pair of kitchen tweezers are the way to go. Or if you have a mini donut pan, this is the perfect time to repurpose those molds. Your other option is to say, screw it. They don't have to be wreaths. Let's just make them bundles, you know? Holly bundles, wreath bundles, just a little bit of greenery, garlands. That's so much easier. You'll pull the whole thing together with sprinkles. I put these in the freezer for a half hour so everything could mix and mingle together, and now we're gonna try one out. It's somehow even better than I thought it would be. So there you have it, 3 easy, fancy Christmas cookies that I completed in 1 hour. Not one day, not 1 week, 1 hour. Spend less time stressing and more time celebrating this holiday season. Head over to FancySprinkles.com to pick up Lisa's Cookie Decorating Party Pack, or make it your own with our brand new bundle builder. Fancy tip, don't have an hour? Here's how to decorate treats in 1 minute. Okay, got that, and then, ho, 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 this is cute. This is really cute. I can't.